All right, folks. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the brain and how it handles noisy environments. Ever wondered why it's so hard to hear someone talking in a crowded room? The answer lies in a small but mighty part of the brain called the insula. The insula is like a command center integrating sensory, emotional, and cognitive information. Recent research from the University at Buffalo reveals that people who struggle to understand speech in noisy environments have altered connectivity in their insula. Even when these individuals aren't actively listening to sounds, resting state MRI scans show increased connectivity between their left insula and auditory regions. Picture this. Your brain is always on duty, constantly rewiring itself. For those with speech and noise difficulties, their insula is working overtime, trying to decode auditory signals amidst all the background chatter. This overactivation might be the brain's way of compensating for the challenging task at hand. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. These changes in the insula aren't just about hearing, they're also linked to early signs of dementia. Yep, you heard that right. The same brain alterations that make it hard to hear in noisy places could also be a precursor to cognitive decline. But before you panic, there's a silver lining. The study highlighted a participant who had poor hearing for pure tones but excelled at speech and noise comprehension in one ear. This person worked in a noisy environment, suggesting that exposure to such conditions might actually train the brain to handle noise better. So there's hope that with the right kind of practice, we can improve how our brain processes speech in noisy settings. The study involved 40 participants aged 20 to 80. They went through various hearing tests to assess their speech and noise comprehension, and resting state MRI was used to analyze their brain connectivity. The findings were published in the journal on May 7, 2025. So what's the takeaway? Our brains are incredible, constantly adapting and compensating for the challenges they face. And while noisy environments can be tough on our auditory processing, they also provide an opportunity to train and improve our brain's ability to handle such noise. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video intriguing, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing insights into how our brains work. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.